And now for the news in detail. President Draupadi Murmu has said that women empowerment is crucial for the upliftment of the country and the society. Addressing Azmita, an event organized by Army Wives Welfare Association in New Delhi today, the president said India has a 50% female population and they have a very important role in the development journey of the country. She said, "A woman can live, fight and progress without a man and show it to the world, and women's progress holds a great significance in the society and the nation." She highlighted the needs to leave some old ideas and adopt new ideas. She shared that the identity and self-confidence of women could be strengthened by adopting progressive ideas.
परिवार के लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात है, इसीलिए आज देश में शायद आधा आबादी नारियां हैं। आज देश इकोनॉमिकली 5th पोजीशन है। हम स्वप्न देखते हैं इकोनॉमिकली नंबर 1, भारत नंबर 1 बने, इसीलिए हम प्रयास कर रहे हैं।